Coming in, a couple of 57s. '57 El Camino.
Okay. You want some? It's like a brown.
Of course, that's all customized on the back. Pretty cool. I like it. It's different. This one's for sale. Tetanus. Buffco Engineering. I like it. Pretty cool. Oh man, there's some big old slicks on that bad boy. Look at that. Oh my goodness. It's insane. High tech. No phone number or anything on it. Find out how much they want, but guess he's waiting for people to come up and ask. When I choose some wheels, I want to choose something that's going to stand out. I mean, that stands out actually. It's like a black chrome. What kind of wheel is that? I don't know what kind of wheel that is. It looks nice. Toys, I guess. Toys? Not sure. Those tires. Can't tell the size. But really look nice. Oh, nice smooth. Smooth paint. Nice 55 Chevy pickup. Tootie's toy. How about that? What I look for is cars that don't look like anybody else's. They've got their own identity. Instead of looking exactly like the car beside them. It's a pretty cool thing. You know, it's a nice looking 57 convertible. And he's got the original tires, original rims on there with some radial white walls. It actually looks pretty darn good. With a white top on it. Interesting. These are Silvertown radials. BF Goodrich 225/70 R14s. 225/70 R14s. And I like the little spinner on there. Makes it look good. It's a sharp looking car, I like it. Nothing like hearing them old motors run. This is a nice little ride here. Pretty no man. Woo. You see with a mirror on the ground, it's painted underneath too. I'm starting to think I just need to get mine restored. Do it exactly like I want it. Sweet look. 205/65 R15s. Same rim as that one, except it's blacked out. And different center caps. I like it. Okay. Now these pretty flashy looking. I like them. And these white walls to me could have been a little bit wider. But everybody's got their own thing they like. It's pretty. I love that blue. Wisconsin. Another one from Wisconsin. It's almost a purplish blue. It's kind of a blue that of a C10 I just sold. We got air conditioning. Good looking ride. I'm liking these wheels. I know these videos aren't all about wheels, but those some good looking wheels. it says. Love it. Ooh. Loving what's under that hood too. So these are 225 45 ZR17s. These are 17s. I almost would want 17s up front too. Definitely a bigger tire. So 225 45 R17s. Certainly looks good. Wow. Power Tour 2018. Woo! That's one heck of a motor right there. I'd like to see that in my car. Wow, that's a sweet ride. Now them tires, rims look good. It's probably got an aftermarket chassis on that bad boy though. So this is part 7 of the Tri-5 Nationals. Bowling Green, Kentucky. Beach Bend Raceway. What a great weekend in 2021. I tell you, really had a good time. Hopefully you guys have liked these videos, and I probably got 1 or 2 more coming, maybe a part 8 and a part 9. But thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. See ya.